Within this assignment, I have created some box geometry structure in a different with a different shape in it, and I have also created one big capsule there. So it has the radius of three, and the length of 5. So I have kind of implemented a domino rally effect in it when I give a little bit of push force to the object, and I can see when I give a little bit of push force to it, every object should fall apart. And yeah, by everything is falling towards the positive x direction, as you can see one by one. I've given the mass for the each box of 10 kg, and the mass of the capsule is 100 kg. So at last, the last object also falls towards and towards the ground. So we can see a little bit of domino rally effect here also. We can see it. So every object fall to the ground when I give a little bit of push force to the first object up front. So finally, everyone falls in the ground. I think it will get a little bit of reaction force as well because of its little mass. Well, I have a little bit more simulator kind of system in the GUI. We can see when I put gas on the aircraft should move in the positive y direction. So it's coming in the positive y direction. I can also provide lift force on it so that it climbs a little bit, resultant in the lift direction. I can also land it with a landing force, providing the landing gear. So on providing landing gear, I can land it safely. So yeah, it moves towards very far. So that's all for the assignment. I can also change the gravity things, move the object up, and also make them in the come back in the plane. The grass is actually the physics plane. So when the objects return back to the plane, it gets some reaction force as well. So I think these boxes should be a little bit of distorted. There should be some distortion in there. Yeah, little bit. You can see it's little tilted. Since the rendering is a little bit slow, they must fall apart, triggering that reaction force. So I have two instances here. So I like to apply physics with synchronization. So when I apply the little force in the first box in the instance one, you can see the boxes are leaning towards positive x direction. The objects are also moving in the second instances. The synchronization is a little bit slower. Sorry for that, but yeah, we can see the force is applied when I provided force from one direction. Yeah, now it's a little bit faster. Yeah, object is in that position. The force is applied to all the objects in the scene. So when I do apply force in the negative direction using the other key, the object should experience the force in different direction. The object starts moving.